Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sharing Tools YouTube channel. If you're looking for the best tips and tricks to supercharge your Instagram growth, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Today, we're going to explore activity time settings on Hybrid Pro, an incredibly powerful mass action tool for Instagram. Let's get started. What is Activity Time in Hybrid Pro? Activity Time is a feature in Hybrid Pro that allows you to control the hours of the day when your automation tool performs actions. This feature ensures that your actions take place only when your target audience is active, making your automation more efficient and natural. How to use Activity Time. When you look at the Activity Time settings panel, you'll notice a grid showing each hour of the day for each day of the week. Here's how it works. Blue cells indicate the tool will be active during these hours. Empty cells mean the tool will pause and won't perform any actions. In the example shown, we have set the tool to be active for 12 hours, from 12 p.m., noon, to 11 p.m. This means Hybrid Pro will perform actions during this time frame and pause outside of it. Why activity time is important. Focusing your activity during the hours when your audience is most active boosts engagement and makes your actions appear more organic. For instance, in some countries, users are active from afternoon to night. In other regions, users are mainly active at night. How to find your audience's active hours. Open the official Instagram app. Go to your Professional dashboard. Click on the Followers section. At the bottom, you'll see the Most Active Times feature. This will show you when your audience is usually active, so you can tailor your activity time settings accordingly. Don't forget your time zone. Make sure to set the correct time zone for your profile by going to Sharing Tools, Profile section. Buttons of Activity Time feature and their functionality. Select All selects all the hours for every day, making the tool active 24/7. Insert allows you to manually insert custom activity hours. Clear clears all selections, making the tool inactive. Copy copies the current activity schedule to paste elsewhere. Randomize randomly generates activity times, which can help avoid patterns and make actions look more human-like. At the bottom, you can also set the minimum and maximum hours per day to fine-tune your automation's working hours. That's it for today's video on activity time settings in Hybrid Pro. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you stay updated with all our latest content. See you in the next video, and happy automating!